Hi guys, Queen Esther here. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make pineapple fried rice. This meal is super delicious and very simple to make. So if you are interested, stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Queen Esther. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so I can officially welcome you to the royal family. So let's get started.
So here's what I'm going to be using to make this meal. Okay, we need some cooked rice. Make sure this rice is cooked and it is put in the fridge. I cooked this about 3 hours ago and it was in the fridge. So that's what I'm going to be using. You can use rice that has cooked the day before. It is perfect to use that as well, okay? Don't use raw rice. Now it has to be cooked just like you cook. I use my Instant Pot to cook this. You can use your rice cooker or however you cook white rice. Just cook it and then leave it in the fridge, right? Then for what I'm going to be using for the recipe, we're going to use some onion. Okay, I have some onion here. I have some ginger. I'm going to simply mince it. I want to show you guys how I do it. So I pre-cut it in slices and then I will simply mince it, okay? Then you use some chili peppers. It is optional. You don't have to. And I have some scallion here, onion leaves, however you call it. All right, and I have some peas and carrot and peas right here. I also have 5 raw eggs here. And I have 2 cups of shrimps. Okay, they're not cooked shrimps. And then for my seasoning, I'm going to be using some honey, some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, some organic extra virgin olive oil, some pink salt. You can use any salt of your choice, some curry powder, some white pepper, and some minced garlic, and of course a cup of pineapple. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to go ahead and work on our shrimp here. So this is shrimp, it's already washed, it is deveined. So I'm using those, and this is the size how it looks like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use let's see right here. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon right here of soy sauce and some white pepper. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle that on there. I'm going to mix it up thoroughly, and then we're going to set this on the side. All right, and then let's go start working on my ginger. Okay, I have the ginger here mixed. I want to show you how I'm going to mince it. So just like so, I'm going to cut it in long like this. And then want to then cut it in small. Want to make it small, okay? I will then move to my chili. I'm going to use 3 for now. Alright, this again is optional. You don't have to add this to it. Alright, so we'll put some inside as well. Alright, I will then go ahead and move with my onion. I'm going to go ahead and wash it very quickly and then work with my onion. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the onion while it's sliding. Like so. So now we're going to move to the egg. Alright, so I have all my eggs right here, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of white pepper, just a little bit sprinkle of white pepper, and some sprinkle of salt. Alright, then we bring that to a hot yolk right here. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and mix it, and then I will go ahead and I'm using right here organic virgin oil, just 1 tablespoon. Alright, and that should be enough. So once that is hot, we go ahead and proceed with the eggs right here. Alright, go ahead and transfer the egg over. now I will begin working on the sauce we're going to use for the rice. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alright. Oyster sauce, we're going to use 1 tablespoon. Alright. I'm also using some teriyaki. Oh my god, teriyaki in fried rice tastes so good. So I'm just using just 1 tablespoon. You can use also fish sauce if you have that. And I'm going to go ahead and use some honey. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of honey in there. Just want to measure that in front of you guys. Alright, you can use sugar if you wish. And we're going to use some white pepper, about a tablespoon as well. And we want to mix it up and set this aside, alright? Before I forgot, guys, I forgot to add the curry powder, okay? You gotta add the curry powder, half a teaspoon of curry powder. So let me get it out here. Now that is the secret recipe, okay? I'll put that in here. And we want to mix it some more. Mix it together, just like this, and I'm going to put it on the side, alright? Now, this is the pineapple, okay? You want to start cutting the pineapple just like so. So what you want to do, just 1 pineapple, you want to cut in from the middle, going downwards, alright? And then cut all the way through. Now first, you don't have to use a pineapple, I'm actually making a pineapple bowl. You don't have to use the actual pineapple, you can just use the meat and that's it. But when I go to the Thai store, the Thai restaurant, they always put it in their pineapple bowl, and I simply love it, so I'm going to do the same thing. So this is how I'm going to do it. So cut it on the side like so. You want to create like a square in here, okay? Be careful with the knife so you don't get cut. Alright, cut it this way, and then we will go ahead and cut it like that, like so, and then this way. Alright, so I'm going to gather a spoon and then remove the meat of the pineapple. So just removing the pineapple out of here. Okay, put in some more. Make sure it's very deep. Let's try this. One more time. There you go. Right, and we just want to use 1 cup of pineapple. Okay, don't want too much in there. Then again, it's also based on the quantity that you are making. So here's how the pineapple looks like. Alright, I'll work on the second one. But then for now, let's go ahead and cut the meat or the pineapple. You want to cut in cubes, small cubes. You just want to have just 1 cup, and I think I have just enough. We will then go ahead and begin with our shrimp. So we're going to turn the fire on. The same you used before. We want to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of oil, and then once that is hot, I will then go ahead and introduce my shrimp in there. So the yolk is ready. I'm just going ahead and put So here is our shrimp, how it looks like. It is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it over in the bowl, and we proceed next. So I want to go ahead and add a bit more oil, about 2 to 3. Then we go ahead and add the garlic, the minced garlic, the chili pepper, and the minced ginger. All right, just want to put that in the yolk here. Let it do its thing. So you want to fry this a little bit until you can smell the aroma going on here. Then you add the rest of the vegetables. So about 1 minute or so. So this is how it's looking like. It's not ready. I'm going to go ahead and introduce my peas and carrots to the bowl. Let that fry for a little bit. I'll add a little bit of white pepper on here. I will now go ahead and introduce my scallion in here, as well as my onion. Alright, put that in here, just like so. I'm gonna let this fry a little bit more.
So after my vegetable have been cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, I would then go ahead and introduce the rice to the yolk. But first, before doing so, I'm going to divide my vegetables in half because my pot is not big enough. Okay, so I'm doing that right now, and then this is what I came up with, and I'm then put my Jasmine cooked rice. All right, this rice is already cooked. It was in the fridge and it is ready to put in the pot. And I will then go ahead and add my soy sauce that is on this side here and mix it thoroughly. And guys, if you've been watching all the way to here, please don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. It encourages me as I go on this YouTube journey. Thank you all so much for supporting me. I appreciate you all. So right now I just put my soy sauce to my rice, and I'm simply turning to making sure every single rice is coated with the soy sauce. I went ahead and added a little bit more just so I can have that look I'm going for. Okay, it is looking just the way I want it. I would then go ahead and proceed to add my shrimp, all right, and my egg to the rice. All right, I would then go ahead and mix it up one more time and add the pineapple to the rice. And right about now we are almost done. Okay, our pineapple fried rice is almost done, looking sumptuous and delicious. My family loved it. And as a finishing touch, I'm going ahead and adding my sesame oil. This is optional. Sesame oil on fried rice tastes super delicious. Make sure you try this little trick. All right, so guys, we are almost done. Now here is the finishing look. I'm going to be eating this with some chicken wings that I did with the air fryer. I will link the video on the channel, as well as my orange pineapple juice, looking delicious and it's very healthy. I made that from home as well. I will post the link as well in the description, and my green chili sauce. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share with others. Until next time, au revoir.
Delicious pineapple fried rice. You must try this. Okay, bye.